Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Tuesday, August 30th. Right now, I don't know, probably like 4 o'clock, 4:30 p.m. I'm currently in my parents' room, my mom's room right now. Uh, 2 weeks ago, one of you guys left a comment about why did I bought this mattress for my mom. This mattress is from IKEA. It's a full size Hugginson, or something like that. I don't know. IKEA brand Hugginson. Um, yeah, and then the comments was basically asking me to do a review of the mattress. Why did I pick this mattress and the size and the firmness? I think this is firm, not extreme. I think there's one that above this. I don't know. I can't remember why I didn't buy that one. The goal is to buy a fern for my mom because I know that they really like a fern. And this is not extreme fern, but it's the fern part. So let me quickly show you guys. Flip the camera around. Disregard the iPad, and I don't know what this is. I don't know. But anyway, let's put it aside. So it's a full-size bed, and the brand is from IKEA, I guess, Ferguson. The color is beige color. Oh, right here. Yeah, as you can see, so it's beige. In terms of the height, I don't know. It's pretty. Oh, man, it's pretty thick. Let me back it up. So it's about the width of my hand. We're extending it out all the way out, probably right here. So yeah, yeah, full size. My mom put a lot of cover on it. Furnace test. I don't know if you guys can see it. My hand. Obviously, the corner it might be a lot more tough. It's oftentimes different in compared to if you go from the middle. It is pretty tight. It sure feels very fun itself, but at the same time, it's very. So I don't know how I explain it, but fun and soft. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're looking at it right now, here's me sitting down, kind of sunking in, but I could feel the firmness. I think these are spring loaded. I'm not exactly sure, but double check when you buy it. I think it felt like it's spring loaded. Or maybe it has some memory foam mattress on it or something. So just by putting all the weight on my butts right now, it totally sunk in, I would say. So all the weight just sunk in, so it's not really completely firm holding me up. But if I lay down, I don't know if you can see my butt's totally just raised up, and then all the weight is kind of like divided up on my whole body, my whole chest. So overall, it feels kind of fun. I haven't get a chance to sleep on this bed overnight yet, but I was able to take a nap maybe last week, and I think I took like a 2-hour nap or something. It felt pretty good. It's kind of soft in a way because it's not completely keeping my back flat because I am kind of sinking down there a bit. Just to give you some general idea, I weigh 173, 172 roughly, close to between 170 to 175. Okay, so overall right now it feels kind of good. I'm laying horizontal, like one in the middle of the bed. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. For the price, I think it's really good. I don't exactly remember how much I got it. You gotta watch my first video, the unboxing video. I think I bought it for like 200 something, 300, which is not a lot. And it packaged pretty well. It came in like a roll where you kind of just cut it and open up the roll, and then it just inflate and everything. So yeah, let me flip the camera. So I'll give you guys a look of the bed. Let me load it up. Yeah, my parents actually kept it really clean, like brand new. Well, I will say that they don't sleep on this bed that much because they don't come over that often. They come here maybe twice or 3 times a week. So, but when they are not here, this bed is pretty much empty. Nobody sit here. So, yeah. What else I can talk about? I already talked about the furnace. I think it's medium furnace. Honestly, I don't exactly remember, but I know that it's one level below the selection there that they have. They have one that is a little bit step up from this one, and I don't know why I didn't get it. Maybe because the price costing a bit more. I don't remember, or maybe because they're out of stock. I'm pretty sure if they have it in stock, I would have got that one. Most likely because they're out of stock. I wouldn't, care too much for the money, a little bit extra to get the furnace. Because I usually think that over time, no matter how firm the mattress is, they tends to degrade, and even a firm one became like a medium firm and soft. So obviously I'm buying the mattress for a long term, not for a year or 2 years. Hope that these last quite a long time. So yeah, that's why. And I like the fun, but this one's good. It's fun with the softness to it. Like I say, if you're sitting down, you definitely sink in. Like, you definitely feel the softness of it. You do not feel the firmness. But if you're laying down flat, it divide the weight, spread out in your body. Then you feel the firm itself. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Anyway, if you guys think about buying one, I think IKEA is entry level, so definitely for the price, it's a good deal. Yeah, that's about it. All right, thanks for watching. I don't know what else. If you guys have any more comments, definitely leave it below. Yeah, that's it. See you guys.